I've been asked to make a video about advertising and what happens to the price curve. So if we start out with a price curve that is minus 10x plus 120, that side is expressed by the price. This one is actually the same equation, just expressed as units sold. So these two are equal. But this one is expressed by units and this one is expressed by the price. If you look at it this way, and we're looking at advertising, you see the effect. The starting point will be this equation, where we have an intersection at the p-axis at 120, and the intersection by the x-axis will be 1200. Okay. And at a price, for instance, at 100, the number of units that we will sell will be 200. Using this one, you say P is equal to 100 times 10, that's minus 1000 plus 1200, then you get 200. If, for instance, there's an increase because of advertising of 20% increase, you can take and add 20% to the 200, and you will have a new intersection up here at a price of 100, that is 240. So what happens is there's actually, the starting point is the same, but there's a shift. So the slope will change. And we can see it out here at a price of 0. We are selling 1200. And if we add 20% to 1200, we know that this one will intersect at 1440. So what happens, what we can see here is actually that it's the slope that changes. And we can see that in two different ways. We can do it over here by saying x with advertising will be an increase of 20%. We times it 1.2 or 1,2 if we're Europeans. 1200 minus 10p. So you times with the number itself and 20%. So you get x is equal to 1440 minus 12p. If you turn that around, you'll have that 12 divided by 1440 is 120. And then you have the slope is minus 1 over 12x. So what happens actually is of course, when you're selling 0, your starting point is the same, but then the slope changes all the way down. And it is the slope. So what you can do if you have an example like this is that you can take the p-axis 1 divided by 10x plus 120 and times it with 1.2, because the only thing that happens is that the slope changes. So you shift it outwards, so you're selling 20% extra. So in those cases, you get this equation anyways. Whether you do it like this or you do it like that makes no difference. It gives the same result. But of course, in most of the assignments that you get, you are going to find the marginal revenue and the marginal price, the marginal cost. And in both cases, you have to figure out whether how much you can use on advertising, or whether the advertising amount of money you have used is sufficient, or is too many or too little. Not too little, but too many. The marginal revenue, you know, is 1 divided by 6x plus 120. Or you could also write it as 2 over 12 minus x plus 120. Most teachers don't care. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.